The first type of people a narcissist will always go for is the type of people who've already been in a narcissistic relationship of some sorts. I'm talking about people who probably already had narcissistic parents, or they've already been in a romantic relationship with a narcissist. For a narcissist, this is exactly what they are looking for. The reason behind it is because they already know what the person is looking for. They already know what's missing. They already know this person doesn't have a voice. They already know this person is always looking for validation. They already know this person has never been loved properly. They already know this person is still looking for security. And when they find someone like that, they're gonna act like they can provide all the things that this person been looking for as part of the trap to get them. And to be honest with you people, that's one of the reasons why I always tell folks, after you get out of a toxic relationship, you need to take some time off. You need to reset. You need to heal. Because if you don't, you will never understand the first 6 months to a year they've been acting like they were Mr. Perfect or they were Miss Perfect was just part of the things they were willing to do from the get-go to trap you. So if you've ever been in a narcissistic relationship, understand the next person can also be a narcissist if you do not read the red flags. If you happen to like this type of content, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell, because we've got a lot to talk about. For type number 2 is the broken. When a narcissist realizes that you're always looking for attention, when a narcissist realizes that you are codependent, when a narcissist realizes that you are willing to give 150% of yourself just to be in a relationship, they automatically understand that they can control you from that path only, and that automatically send the signal for them to go after you. They'll go straight after you because they understand that you are vulnerable. If they see that you have low self-esteem, if they see that you're battling with insecurities, if they see that you are too submissive, all that, they already know that you are broken. They see that you've been looking for a good relationship, they're gonna go right after you because they understand exactly what you're looking for. A narcissist will collect any piece of information just to build a profile before they even go after you. That narcissist could be a coworker. That narcissist could be a good friend. That narcissist could be somebody that you've known your entire life. That narcissist could be a stranger. So from the point they get into your life, they have a checklist. The minute they realize that checklist is familiar to the people they usually go after, there it is. Whichever the reasons why you are broken, they'll go after you with the same reasons to make you think again they are Mr. Perfect, until they show you exactly why they got into your life at the end. So if you feel like them approaching you is too good to be true, investigate before you dive yourself entirely into that relationship. Type number 3. A narcissist will always go for people that are always rushing into relationships. Folks, you guys have to stop rushing into relationships. Men or women, y'all got to stop rushing into relationships because you won't be able to see the red flags for what they are. You're just gonna dive in. And for whatever reason why you're trying to get into that relationship, when a narcissist see it as a pattern, they're gonna go after you. They're gonna chase you because they already know by the time you finally realize that this person was a narcissist, it's probably gonna be too late. They've probably already took advantage of you, destroy you emotionally speaking, and the only reason they were able to do that is because you were rushing into the relationship without paying attention to the type of person you were allowing into your life. I'm pretty sure there are probably more people that a narcissist will definitely go for, but the 3 types we just talked about in this video are some of the top ones a narcissist usually go for, simply because they understand the pattern from each type. Therefore, they'll go full blown into the process of getting their next victim. On that note, I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. If I've missed something in the process, feel free to let me know in the comments below. Until then, take care of yourselves and each other. Peace.